cross, yay. B, 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 trace the B. One long line, two curves you see. C, 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 trace the C. Round and round, easy peasy. D, 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 trace the D. Straight line, curve with glee. E, 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 trace the E. Lines go straight, 1, 2, 3. F, 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 trace the F. Top and middle, easy step. G, 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 trace the G. Round and hook, follow me. H, 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 trace the H. Two tall lines, join them, hey. I, trace the I. One straight line, try, try, try. J, 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 trace the J. Down and curve, gentle way. K, 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 trace the K. Straight and slant, hip hooray. I, L, L, trace the L. Down and across, do it well. M, 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 trace the M. Up and down again, again. N, 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 trace the N. Slant and line, count to 10. O, 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 trace the O. Big round circle, nice and slow. P, 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 trace the P. Line and curve, you can see. Q, 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 trace the Q. Circle, tail, follow through. R, 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 trace the R. Line, curve like superstar. S, 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 trace the S. Snake shape, do your best. T, 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 trace the T. Top and down, easy peasy. U, 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 trace the U. Down and curve, good for you. V, 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 trace the V. Slanting lines, 1, 2, 3. W, 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 wow, so cool. X, 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 trace the X. Cross the lines, next is next. Y, 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 trace the Y. Slant them down, give it a try. Z, 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 trace the Z. Zigzag line, yay, you're great. P, A, T, Z, tracing done. Good job, kids, learning is fun.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.
Bye bye.